Hey everyone, welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to transfer money from public bank to merchant trade in 2025. With the latest banking tech making everything faster and more secure, you'll be sending funds like a pro in no time. Whether you're investing, paying bills, or just moving money around, this step-by-step guide is designed for beginners and busy folks alike. Let's dive right in. First off, before you start, make sure you have the public bank mobile app installed on your smartphone and that your merchant trade account is set up and verified. In 2025, these apps are super intuitive, but always double-check your internet connection for a smooth experience. Step 1. Open the public bank app and log in using your username, password, and any two-factor authentication required. Security is key, so enable biometrics like fingerprint or Face ID if you haven't already. It's a game changer. Step 2. Once you're logged in, head to the Transfers or Payments section, usually found on the main dashboard or in the side menu. It's prominently displayed to make things straightforward. Step 3. Look for the option to add an external recipient. Select Merchant Trade from the list of partnered services. Thanks to 2025 integrations, it's now a one-click choice. Step 4. Enter the amount you want to transfer and provide the necessary details, like your merchant trade account number or reference ID. Take a second to review for accuracy to avoid any hiccups. Step 5. Hit the Confirm button and authorize the transaction. You'll likely need to verify with a PIN, your phone's security features, or even a quick SMS code for that extra layer of protection. And just like that, your transfer is complete. In 2025, most transactions process in seconds, and you'll get a confirmation notification right away. Keep an eye out for any fees and always monitor your accounts for safety. There you have it. Transferring money from public bank to merchant trade is simpler than ever. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.